in Korea right now. Everything's a little smaller here. I wanted to show you guys this spice rack that has been repurposed as a little bathroom stand. Check it out. Oh God. So as you can see, that fits nicely there. There appears to just be 2 shelves on here. This is plastic, but it's very high quality. Love the rose gold. Clearly it's rust resistant and non-corrosive since it is in a moist bathroom. But overall, doesn't it look absolutely outstanding? Easy to take apart, take that off and then that off, and easy to ship, easy to transport. Overall, it looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna go try to get out of this bathroom now. Look, the size of this, if I were to stand up all the way, that's the door. The men aren't that small here.